Okay, so before I get started on this video, I want to lay out something, let you know that I am not endorsed or paid by Nokta to do this, and I am not paid by or endorsed by Treasure Mountain metal detectors. I came across them about 5 years ago. If you see my other video about the Bumblebee headphones, that's my first dealings with Treasure Mountain metal detectors. That was 5 years ago, and I have not looked back since. They are a wonderful company. I love doing business with them. They're pretty close to me, and their customer service, their desire, they just love what they do. They love metal detecting. They love treasure hunting of all kinds, and their level of customer service is unparalleled to anybody, in my belief. And so that's why I push them. That's why I like to endorse them and try to get you to use them too, so that you could take advantage of some really quality folks. But so what I got in the mail, and unless you've been living under a rock for the last year and a half, you've got to know about the Nokta Simplex metal detector. They started talking about this about a year and a half ago, letting people know that it was coming. They made up several units. They sent out about 20 of them, I think 20 or 30 of them. They sent them out to a lot of regular users and let them play with them for a couple of months, and then took their feedback and redesigned or added to, took away, whatever they had to do to make sure that they were putting out a quality product. And once you open up the box, you can tell that that's what happened. This is a great metal detector. It's a high quality metal detector that you can get for less than $350. And if you see some of the other videos out there where they're comparing this to others like the Equinox, you can tell that they're giving other machines the run for the money. So this one, if you buy it with the wireless headphones, the WHP package, that's not with headphones, that's wireless headphone package, and I'll tell you why it's called that in a minute. But you can get that for about $339, something like that. You can get them without the wireless headphones for about $260, $270, something like that. But I'll tell you, if this is your first Nokta, you're going to want to go ahead and order the one with the wireless headphones, because they are the Green Edition headphones. Okay. And these same wireless headphones is 2.4 gigahertz, I think. This same Green Edition is also works with the Cruiser, the Multi-Cruiser, the Racer, the Amphibio, the Impact, all of their gold detectors. And if you buy the package without the wireless headphones, it's $60 cheaper, $60 to $80 cheaper. But if you want to add this later, it's going to cost you about $150. All right, so go ahead and get them with the wireless, because if this is your first Nokta, you're going to want another one, and the same headphones will work with all of them. Okay, just a little pointer there. But anyway, so what we got is we have the Nokta Impact, the Nokta Simplex metal detector. It is waterproof up to 10 feet underwater. Go figure. While we're talking about that though, the wireless headphones are not. All right, don't try to take this underwater because you're just gonna have to throw them away. If you want to go underwater, Nokta does have the wired underwater headphones that just screw into the back. So if you're going to go to a river, you know, something like that, where you think you're going to encounter some water and going to want to go under the water, maybe do some snorkeling, you know, scuba diving, you know, whatever, see what's down there, you're going to want the wired underwater headphones. Again, do not take these underwater. It will not work.